is for
Again.
apple. Apple.
Oh.
B is for ball.
Lakas.
Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for
Egg.
E is for egg. Egg.
F. Ayos. Okay. E.
E is for egg. Egg. F is for fish.
Ayusin mo ah.
G is for grass.
Lakas.
G is for hat.
I.
I is for
Igloo. Okay.
N is for
Lakas mo again.
A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. C
Tingnan
is
mo.
for cat. D is for dog. E is for
Egg.
egg. C is for fish.
F.
F is for fish. G is for grass.
G.
G is for grass.
Lakas mo. Lakas mo.
G is for grass.
H.
H is for hat.
I.
I is for igloo.
J.
J is for
Jar.
J is for jar. G is for
Lakas.
jar.
Mahina.
Jar. K is for K is for kite. L is for lion. Lion. M is for monkey. Monkey. M is for
Nest.
nest. O is for oval. Oval.
Oh. Q.
For queen.
Lakas. Q.
For queen.
Oh. R.
For rabbit.
Is for rabbit.
S is for snake.
Okay, very good. Oh, sumusok mo na. Okay, tama na muna. Okay. T
For
is for toy.
toy.
Okay.
U is for
Uniform. Tapusin muna natin to bago magantok-antok. Okay? Oh, huwag mag-iyak para matuto. Okay? V na tayo. Marapit na matapos. V.
is for violet.
Oh. Next.
W is for
Lakas mo ah. Water.
water.
Okay, susok muna. Kaya mahina na talaga. Lobat na. Nantok na talaga. Okay? X.
Is for
X-ray.
X-ray.
Okay, again. Okay, mahina na. Okay, dede mo na. Okay. Oh, proceed. A. Nasa X na tayo. X. X is for X-ray. Again.
X is for X-ray.
X.
X.
Okay.
Y is for
U.
yo-yo.
Okay, very good. Again. Y.
Y is for yo-yo.
Very good. And the last one. And the last one, okay?
Giraffe.
Z
Zebra.
is for zebra. Okay, susok na. Antok ka na ba?
Opo.
Oh, antok na. Antok na siya. Tulog ng malmal. Okay. Oh, wait lang. Kaya matutulog ng malmal. Antok na siya.